Hi guys! If you usually watch my channel, you know that I do, a lot of makeup, a lot of, things like that. But today I'm going to do something different because you may not know that I make jewelry. And today I think I'm going to show you guys how to make some very simple ear wires. So this is about 22 gauge wire, and it's sterling silver. So there you can see this is about the size that I like to use for my ear wires because it's not too heavy, not too thick, but it still is kind of sturdy. So anyways, the very first thing you're going to do, and hopefully you can see this, is you are going to take the end and you are going to use these, and you're going to make a little loop. Now this loop is the loop that you're going to use when you attach things onto these earrings. So, and this has a little bit of a crimp on the end of it, so I'm going to snip that off. Okay, go back. It's kind of hard to see if you guys can see me. Okay, so there. We want this loop to be curved nicely, so there, if you can see, is the little curve in it. Now before I do the rest, a lot of times I like to just straighten that out and make sure that it's flat and lying nice, so I will use these to do that. Now here comes the part that I kind of figured out on my own, and that is to basically hold your thumb literally right at the edge of the loop, fold this over, and then pull. And there you have a very nice loop. Oh, and my cats are in here, sorry. Now I have to fix it. Shoot, this way. Okay. So yeah, my camera's showing me upside down, so I'm like, which way am I supposed to go so you can see it? So I cut it off about there. I can further, shape it a little bit, because I like the end to just curve back just a tad. So I put the end just a tad on. I'm gonna straighten this out, make sure everything's straight. So this here now is essentially, let me see which way can I turn so that you can see it. That is the first ear wire, and by doing them and using this as like the little mandrel, you can get them all the same size. So I'm gonna go ahead and again make a little loop, and then go. Now, to make sure that they're pretty much the same size, I put my thumb right at the end of that loop and pull. So I pulled down everything again, and then I check it against the other one to see that it is the same size. Sometimes I just have to do a little bit of bending. There we go. So I've got them both on and pushing to see if I can get this. Okay, so now that they are pretty much the same size, I can cut them off in the same place. Kind of working together on them. Turn the end on this one under just the same. Once you have one made, I mean, it's pretty much like the template for the next one. So now that I have two made, they go onto the anvil, because now we're going to flatten them out. We're going to harden them So basically I just use my little hammer. I mean, I don't flatten completely, but I do want them to lay flat. So the wire itself. And you can flatten the wire. There's nothing wrong with flattening the wire. That's kind of like a little design thing, you know, if that's your thing and you want to make your earrings. So now this wire is much stronger, much harder, because what you're doing when you are hitting it is you are making the atoms in the metal align. They will align into stronger bond there, and then it just makes it all stronger. It's very, very fascinating science. I love science. So, sure that's now. I pretty much, in almost no time at all, made a set of earring wires, and these I can now make earrings with. So that was my little tutorial for today. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you want to see any other kind of quick jewelry tutorials, just let me know and I'll do it. I was going to show you guys some soldering this morning, and I was going to repair a little hair thing that I had from Chloe and Isabel that I had purchased because one of my daughter's friends was selling it. Well, that stuff is not quality, and the stones that looked like glass in it were not glass. They were actually plastic, and they melted. But I got the back soldered on really well. But yeah, it just fell apart. I was putting in my hair one day and the top popped off, and I thought, oh, well, I'll just solder it back. No, that's not going to happen. So anyways, guys, you have a great day. Follow me. I'm Peldon on Instagram, Tumblr, Facebook, Twitter, and you take care. Bye-bye.